These things, who knows what that's called? You go round and round in a circle like that. Let's try that one. Love doing that, love doing that. We have a table and a little seat here with some donuts on it because, I mean, do you actually love donuts?
I do, but I had a little bit too much to drink last night.
Well, that's fine. There's some soak up last night's Prosecco. We've got 5 donuts for you here. Now, you also don't look like you eat donuts at all, obviously. Maddie, please take a seat. I've got a great idea. Let's get the Top Gear taxi cab back out as well. This is called the Bewley Top Gear Stunt Team Donut Challenge. Here's what's going to happen, Cara. You have 5 donuts in front of you there. My errant driver, who very kindly dropped me off this morning, he likes doing donuts of a different kind as well. We're going to set a clock for 10 seconds. You're going to see how many of those donuts you can eat in 10 seconds. Against Steve, our driver, how many he can do in 10 seconds. Does that sound like a good idea? Who thinks Cara will win? Who thinks Steve will win? Right. Madam over there in the blue and white stripes, you're in charge, next to the upright thing, you're in charge of counting Steve's donuts, alright? That's you, madam, looking scared. Right, here we go then. Take your marks, get set, away you go! 10, 9, 8, 7, Before we come to you, madam over there who I gave a job to, how many? 3 donuts over there. What do we think Cara did in the middle here? 1. She did. How many? Half. It means there are 4 second-hand donuts available. 25 pence each for anyone who wants them afterwards. Cara, the great news is, I'm afraid your forfeit, not your prize for winning, your forfeit, is you get a ride home with Steve! Isn't that